Welcome to this week's video tutorial, brought to you by the Bureau of Forefront. You will be seeing more of me in the coming weeks, as I bring you helpful tutorials to assist you through the new changes ahead. So, as you may have already seen, we have been very busy indeed, thinking up ways of evolving the metaverse to benefit everyone. We are paving our way into exciting times within the blockchain space, and now is the time to start thinking about how we want to shape our futures and be a part of the digital revolution. Members of the Bureau feel that education should be available for everyone, and we make it part of our duty to assist in that challenge. Knowledge is empowering, and when we feel empowered, we can make the best of what comes our way in life. So, for today's tutorial, we thought we would teach you a little more about NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. An NFT is a unique digital asset that is stored on a blockchain. NFTs can represent anything from digital art, to music, to in-game items. You may well have seen that the Bureau have recently created their own NFT collection. This unique idea could well add value, not only to assist in the running costs of the Bureau, but may help members to earn a little profit too. So, let me tell you a little more about NFTs. NFTs are created using a process called minting. When an NFT is minted, it is assigned a unique identifier and stored on a blockchain. This makes it impossible to counterfeit or duplicate. There are several benefits to owning an NFT. First, NFTs can be used to prove ownership of digital assets. This can be useful for artists who want to sell their work without fear of it being copied or pirated. Second, NFTs can be used to create unique experiences. For example, an NFT could be used to give the owner access to exclusive content or events. Third, NFTs can be used to trade and collect digital assets. This can be a fun and rewarding hobby for collectors, and it can also be a way to make money. There are a few different ways to buy an NFT. One way is to use a centralized exchange, such as OpenSea or Rarible. These exchanges allow you to buy and sell NFTs using cryptocurrency. Another way to buy an NFT is to use a decentralized exchange, such as Uniswap or SushiSwap. These exchanges allow you to buy and sell NFTs using other NFTs. But for today, we will go through the steps of how the Bureau of Forefront have created and listed their own collectible series of NFTs. With just a few simple steps, you could be the proud owner of one of the Bureau of Forefront's collectible NFTs. To begin with, you need to navigate your browser to the NFT marketplace named OpenSea and type Bureau of Forefront in the search box. This will take you to the Bureau of Forefront Certified Supporters page, which hosts all our collectible NFTs. If you scroll through the NFTs available, you may find one that has your favorite number. You will notice that they all have a unique serial number, no two are the same. We currently have 25 NFTs in our first collection. Who knows? We may have others in the future too. So, to purchase your chosen NFT, you click on Buy Now, and a pop-up box appears asking to connect your MetaMask wallet. Once logged in, OpenSea sends a request signal to your MetaMask asking for a signature. This is for security purposes to ensure you are in agreement and trust the website. You must be on the Ethereum network and have available Ethereum tokens to complete the transaction. The next screen shows an alert telling the buyer that OpenSea have not reviewed the collection yet. This is normal for a new collection such as ours, and may take some weeks for them to review. Once you have read the notice and agree to the terms, the next screen offers you the total price of the NFT. This price includes the gas fee, which is the fee that is charged for the transaction of ownership. In other words, the exchange from the Bureau of Forefront's wallet address to your wallet address. Please be aware that the gas fees can fluctuate greatly, and it is always best to monitor these fees before purchasing. It could save you quite a bit by doing so. Don't forget, the Community Hub has a live gas fee tracking indicator in their Discord server for this purpose. So, why would you consider buying an NFT from the Bureau of Forefront's NFT collection? There's a number of answers to this question, and I'll start with the most important of all. When a member buys one of our NFTs, the raised funds go towards some of the costs that are incurred in the running of the Bureau. These include the Discord boosters that allow the Bureau members to host webinars to larger audiences, as well as bigger uploads for tutorials, such as this one you're watching now. We have set them at a reasonably low price, so members may consider taking part in the trading of the NFTs. That's right. If you buy them at a low price, as Ethereum gains in value, so does the value of the NFT. If you relist the NFT for sale again, you could make a small profit if another trader decides to buy it from you. You see, the Bureau don't just think of how to help the running costs of the organization, they have also offered an opportunity to all members to enter the world of NFTs and have a go at trading, with the potential to have a bit of fun at the same time. NFTs are a new and exciting technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we own and interact with digital assets. However, it is important to be aware of the risks involved before you buy an NFT. There are a few risks associated with buying an NFT, and the value of NFTs can fluctuate like any cryptocurrency, so please take note of this before deciding to invest in NFTs. We hope you enjoyed that enthralling insight into the fascinating world of non-fungible tokens. If you have any questions or are interested in the Bureau of Forefront's operations, please don't hesitate to contact us by using our front desk messaging service on our Facebook page. Details can be found in the description area of this video. Until next time, stay safe, enjoy the journey, and we'll be back soon.